Morning guys, Neil here again from Affordable Cars in New York. I just thought I'd quickly squeeze this one in before the heavens open. It's a new 3 Series, new shape that's just arrived with us, but it's incredible value and I just want to share it. It's firstly a 19 plate 320D mild hybrid automatic. It's the sport model with loads of equipment, which I'll quickly go over with you afterwards anyway. But it's priced at $17,299. It's got to be the cheapest 320D of a new shape in the country at the minute. It's ridiculous. But being a 19 plate and being the new model, the PCPs on these are working out so cheap. I've very quickly had a little play around with it, but with £1,000 in as a deposit, you can get this car for roughly £240 a month, which is full Mondeo money. It's crazy. But 73,000 miles, finished in black. It's got black full leather. It's got the LCD digital dash. It's got full satellite navigation, Wi-Fi charging, comfort pack, heated seats, climate control, cruise control. We've got the radar distance control in the front as well. It is a massive spec car, really good value for money, but it's not going to hang around. So if you want it, get in touch with us quick. I do have a white one as well, not quite as well spec as this one, which will be very similar payments. But when it's gone, it's gone. Come and have a look.